A few words about data evaluation. So WAVEcontrol, the software has quite plenty of features, and it's kind of a all-in-one package that enables you to go from designing your experiment. It has a built-in simulator also, and really setting up your experiment and build your measurements up to optimization also of your experiment. You can use wizards to automatically come to a very quick starting point, but then the software lets you full manual control on all the parameters that are associated with the injections itself, and the whole series you can manually really edit to detail also by hand if you want. Then the software does data adjustment. It does it also in a kind of an automated way, but again, also here it leaves you the full freedom to control and to see the adjustments yourself and change every parameter. Then, of course, evaluate your data, do your kinetic evaluation within the same software, in the same file, and in the end, even generate reports that you can export to PDF, to a Word file with templates, giving a full experimental report on your study.